All right, here's the box of what we call the RODECaster Pro. This is a brand new product out for podcasts. It comes with a disc. Well, you have to buy this separate, but you need a mini disc on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this box up and see what she looks like. See what we can find out about her. So here's the box in the box. We're going to get it out and go right through it and look at what is in this box. There's the RODECaster Pro. Open up here, and pretty cool environment here because there are giant giant cards that kind of shows you what all to do and what to do with it. So in the fact that we're looking at all these cards, and it's like flashcards. They are just like flashcards, very thick, and this shows you the full setup. This is the first time I'm going through this, so I'm kind of seeing it as you're seeing it, so I'm not sure what all of it is, but I'm sure that I will figure this out as you would. You would look at these things and say, oh, there's how we set it up. This is if we wanted to set it up this way, here's what we would do. And so these are great big flashcards. There's the schematics of the information. Look at that, a QR code to get all the details about it, the overview of it. And these, I imagine, are pretty handy. Now, this is the inside of the box. Looks to be a nice foam pack. And there's the unit. Pretty darn simplistic. And we will pull that unit out of here and see what all comes in the box. Outside of the RODECaster Pro, which is nicely wrapped in plastic. We've got the cord here. Cable that comes with it. So you can see it is a full OSHA cord. And inside, there is another box in here that has the RODECaster Pro information, it looks like. And this looks like all of our wires for the power. And look at this, it's got some details here. Another one of the RODECaster Pro. I'm assuming these have something to do with the buttons that we're going to have on the side here. Don't know what it is, but we will find that out very, very quickly. And so now we have the plug cable that comes with it and the USB Rode cable. And that looks to be everything that is in the box. That's what you get when you get the RODECaster Pro. And let's get into a little bit of the details now, and we'll find out the rest of what we need to know about the RODECaster Pro. So once you get this unpacked, this is kind of what you get in the box here. So minus this, you have to order this extra. The SD card is extra. So you get these, and this is really neat because it tells you in different languages. Like for instance, this is get the most out of your RODECaster Pro. This tells you to go online and check this stuff out. So that's one of the first things we're going to do. As soon as we plug this in, we'll set that up. Now you get to do all the fun stuff like removing the screen piece here. That is a satisfying thing to do. So you get to take all that off there, and you're ready to start plugging this thing in and getting it rolling. So let's find out what the next step is here, and we'll show you that as well. You're going to plug the power wire in and a USB cable. Now, keep in mind, this is a USB 3, and it goes to a USB end. If you've got a Mac, you're going to need a USB to USB 3 adapter, or just get a USB 3 to USB 3 cable, and you'll be fine with that. So that's one of the first things you have to do. Then once you hit the power button, this will come to life. And as it comes to life, you'll see the RODECaster Pro shows up. And it's time to set the clock, which is pretty darn simple, self-explanatory. So as you're going through, you're going to just touch sensitive. And that is so cool. The screen is touch sensitive. And right now, the time here is 7:27. And I'm just going to go ahead and set this right now. What it matters. And you can just go check. Then it goes right into the... this is the whole setup that shows you everything that's already here. All of our pods are already set up. These are, we're going to go into here shortly, but that is generally the unboxing, and you're ready to start hooking in your microphones, because your microphones will easily go plugged into here and your headphones are going to be plugged into here. And of these headphones, you will control them up here. It's a very, very simple unit, and looks like it's going to be pretty easy to use. So that's the unwrapping of it. Coming up soon, you'll see the rest of how to get it started and how to start recording.